Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Accent headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new H4 or 9003 headlight bulb and some basic hand tools like a flathead screwdriver or a 10mm socket. Make sure your Hyundai Accent is turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Now, open the hood of your car and locate the back of the headlight assembly you'll be working on. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight bulb. It usually pulls straight off, but sometimes a small tab needs to be pressed. After that, remove the rubber dust boot, which often pulls off like a lid. For some models, you might need to remove the battery or a fuse box for better access, especially on the driver's side. Finally, unclip the metal retaining spring that holds the bulb securely in its housing. Now, gently pull the old headlight bulb straight out of its socket. When handling the new bulb, remember to only touch the metal or plastic base, as oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the notches in the headlight housing, then push it firmly into place. Once seated, re-engage the metal retaining spring to hold the bulb securely. To finish up, slide the rubber dust boot back into position, ensuring a tight seal. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, making sure it clicks securely. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test both the low and high beams to confirm everything is working correctly. Remember to test both high and low beams to confirm proper function. If everything looks good, close your hood securely. For an easier way to keep your car's interior clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.